In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ad account inside Facebook Ad Manager. There are two types of ad accounts when you are running adverts, and the first one is personal ad account. Personal ad account is the ad account that comes directly with Facebook profile. So the moment you have created a Facebook profile, they attach that ad account to you automatically. And for you to access that ad account is very simple. So let's say you are in your personal Facebook now. All you need to do is, most times you are not going to see all of this, so you are going to see this see more here. So this is the only thing you are going to see, but when you click on see more, it's now going to show you every other thing. All you need to do is to click on this ad manager. So I can open it in another tab, and immediately it's going to take me to my personal ad account. But if you want to still open it another way, you can just go to your Google or any browser you're using, type www.facebook.com/ads manager. ADS manager. You type everything together, it's still going to take you to this particular place. Now, when you come here, this is your personal ad account that you can start using to create an advert right away. However, if for some reason you want to create a business ad account, this is an ad account that can have up to 5 different ad accounts. So it's a business ad account, and that's what most companies use. If I want to run advert for a client, I don't want to start using my own ad account. I want to use their own ad account. So mostly is their business ad account I'm going to use. How you do that is to come here. We're going to business settings. Go to business settings. Let's open the business settings. And immediately you are going to see that we have different business accounts here. All right, we have certain business accounts here. So let's click on this particular one here. Now, when it opens, you can easily come to, this is where you see different business assets, and that's why it is business account, because it has different assets. You can add partner, you can add people, you can add pages, you can add other account. There are different assets, but we're just going to focus on ad account. So let's come to the ad account. You see what you're saying? No ad account added. So we want to see if we can create a new ad account. How do you do that? Click on add. Click on create a new ad account. If you want to add an existing ad account, you can add, but I'm going to click on create a new ad account. So let's give this ad account a name. For instance, I like to just name it anything that I like, because nobody actually sees it. It's only you that is seeing it. So I give it Paul ad account. And time zone, it is important. Please pay attention. Time zone and currency is important. I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to find a time zone that will show me Lagos. You understand? So let me check. Let me check first. You see, Africa, Lagos. If you are in other country, you have to use your own time zone. It is important you do it, so that, because there are two types of ad account. There's one that charge you in dollar. There's one that charge you in your local currency. Please make sure that you always use the one that charge you in your local currency, because it is always better. If I'm using another account that charge me in dollar, every time I want to make payment, I have to convert my money to dollar, and sometimes the payment platform might not even work. It's just so stressful. But the moment you choose number one, your time zone, your local currency, your time zone and your local currency, you are going to be able to immediately make payments on your local currency. Okay, so time zone, you have to make sure that you choose your own. Then you see currency, it is always in default US dollars. But of course, if I can scroll, there is different currencies here. So I'm just going to look for our particular currency, which is Nigeria Naira. So as you can see it here. So if you don't choose these two things, you are going to stay frustrated. Now that I've chosen those two things, I'm going to click on next. I hope this is making sense. Now they are going to ask you, this other account, will it be used for my business, or you want to use it for another person? See, most time just go with my business, because definitely you are going to use it for your business, except you are creating for somebody else. Now they are going to show you some pages that you need, that you have. I don't want to add the page, or if I want, I can decide to add it, but then I have to click on this I agree to the terms and condition before I now click on create an ad account. Now, if nothing is actually the problem, this ad account is going to be created. So you can see ad account created successfully, and this ad account is solely Nigeria based ad account, which means I can always pay with my local currency, which is Naira. And if you don't use your local currency, like I said, you're going to be frustrated. Now the next thing here, I can decide to click on done, but if I want to start using the other accounts immediately, I can now go to add payment info. add payment info, Nigeria, Naira, Lagos. I can click on next. So it's going to give me another box. So it's going to show me all these things. Now, so if you're in Nigeria now, you know that you can pay with transfer, you can pay with USSD, you can pay with your card, your debit card. But for now, I'm just going to choose transfer. So they're going to ask me how much I want to pay. Why I'm doing this is that you want to deposit something, even if it's 500 naira. Why? So that you are sure that you can easily pay with your currency. You know, sometimes Facebook glitch and technical problem can be a problem, but I want to make sure that I can easily pay with my currency. And I want to do that by making some payments. Okay. So if you want to pay with your currency, click on pay by bank transfer. So you have the option for VAT ID. I'm just going to click on skip because I don't want to do anything there just because it is optional. So that is the easiest way you create ad accounts on every ad manager. Remember I told you that you have two ad accounts. You can use personal ad account and I told you how to access the ad account, or you can just go and create a business ad account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to learn more about Facebook advert and lead generation, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Watch all many videos that I post on this channel that will show you how to run ad, optimize ads, scale your ad profitably, and get better results with Facebook ad.